Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Bitcoin is up. The inflows are just keep coming. So the whole picture really looks bullish. So let's talk about the lot of ETF inflows what we have. The second thing I would like to talk about are also related to Bitcoin Spot ETFs, as Australia's First Spot Bitcoin ETF trading has started this week, and also we have Thailand approves for the first Bitcoin Spot ETFs catching up. Franklin Templeton, CEO, saying that the Bitcoin investment is still in the early phase, and we have Nvidia becoming the second largest company according to its market cap, overtaking Apple. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. In the last couple of days, I was in Georgia at Binance campus. I learned a lot of things, made new contacts. I also made video about it for you guys, but now already I'm back to the office, and let's do the daily fresh videos again from the studio. And if you like this kind of content, definitely hit the like button, and yeah, let's do it. Well, let's move this one here. Okay. And let's start, as usual, with the prices. So we can see that Bitcoin is actually really up 5% in a week, and yep, 0.06 up in the last 24 hours, but holding itself $70,961. Ethereum up 1%, holding itself $3,848. So really good, to be honest with you. Among the winners, not major jumps in the top 100, we have Stacks up 6%, Mantle up 6%, DYDX up 5%. Among the losers, Bitgetone up down 6.6, Dog with Hat 6%, and Core down 5%. So not major moves upwards, downwards. But when you're looking at the overall picture, look, this is what you can see for Bitcoin. This is the weekly Bitcoin chart, and this is actually really good. Look at this. The highest weekly close was at $71,789, and right now we very close to it. Yes, I do know it's just Thursday now, so we shouldn't hurry, but the chances are pretty good. And guess what? If this would really close above it, that could be definitely a bullish sign. So I'm watching now the weekly close at the end of the week, but overall, as you can see, this support has held pretty well around 60,000-ish, a bit above 61,000 when you're looking at the weekly. And since then, we're just coming up, and this is like a really nice wave. So it's not like up to the sky straight away, because this is never good. Step by step, but going upwards. I think this is what looks pretty promising. Okay, and now let's move on to the ETFs, because we have crazy inflows. So let's talk about that. Well, first of all, Bitcoin ETF see a runner up record day with $887 million inflow. So Fidelity, was the leader with $378.7 million. This happened on the 4th of June, so actually 2 days. And then we had on the same day BlackRock with 274.4 million, and the third one was ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF with 138.7. So you can see them actually here, and this is the number. But let's make it even more up to date. So on the 5th of June, that was yesterday, $488 million inflows. And look at these inflows. We have inflows 17 consecutive days in a row, really. So this is definitely a bullish sign. And look, even when you combine these 2 days, which was yesterday and before yesterday, we're talking about $1.37 billion inflowing into Bitcoin Spot ETFs in the United States in 2 days. So this is definitely bullish. Look at this. Back to 1st of June, when we had this new high record, 12,508 Bitcoin went into the Bitcoin Spot ETFs. We're talking about 450 Bitcoin per day, which gets into the system because the miner is getting their block reward, right? Only way to get into the system for Bitcoin is this. And on that single day, the Bitcoin purchased by ETFs was $12,508. So this is, I think, very, very important. And altogether, already in Bitcoin Spot ETFs worldwide, there are almost 1,020,000 Bitcoin. That's kind of a lot. We're talking about almost 72.5 billion US dollar in Bitcoins, and they just, as you can see, accumulating Bitcoin more and more and more. So this is, I think, definitely very, very interesting. And one sec. Yes. And that's the one I wanted to also talk about. Let's share the screen again. And here we have, Franklin Templeton, CEO, saying really that Bitcoin investment still in the early phase, saying that this is really the first wave of the early adopters. And I think the next wave is the much bigger institutions. So now it just really has started. And guess what? 21 million Bitcoin will be out, at the end of the day, put it this way, in 2140. Now we have 19.7 million Bitcoin out there. We do know that kind of 3-4 million Bitcoin kind of it's lost in the system. So basically, it's not 19.7, which is really out there and could move. Theoretically, it's much less. We're rather talking about 15-16 million Bitcoin here. And out of those, more than 1 million, it's already at Bitcoin Spot ETF issuers. So yeah, and guess what? When the others are seeing this, how well it's performing, they're going to join the game pretty much. Right. I do continue with ETFs, but let's move now to Australia. Well, that wasn't that much in the news, but Australia is catching up because if you remember earlier, I talked about that Bitcoin Spot ETF could come to Australia towards the end of the year. But no, it happened this week. On Tuesday, they kind of pushed it. So Australia's first spot Bitcoin ETF with direct Bitcoin holdings go live on Tuesday. So it has happened. And, Australia-based Monochrome Asset Management's Monochrome Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund began actually on the CBOE Australian Exchange on Tuesday. So actually it happened. So very silent way, but Australia joined the countries. And I think this is very, very important. Australia already has 2 exchanges traded products providing exposure to spot crypto assets, but not holding Bitcoin directly. But this one, it does. And I think this is very important. And Thailand also coming up. Look at this. Thailand approves its first spot Bitcoin ETF. So the approval also happened there. Country after country, they just coming. And this means more and more, people going to join the game because these institutions who are holding the, issuing the Bitcoin Spot ETF, they have to hold Bitcoin. Therefore, they have to purchase it. OTC market going to dry up sooner or later, and that will actually push up the price when they start to really purchase things on exchanges. It's not there yet, but definitely coming. Okay. And the next one I definitely wanted to talk about because AI, it's a very, very hot topic in this bull market. And we have Nvidia, the huge major company going up and up and up on the list and overtook now Apple by market cap. So I think this is very important. Why? Because big hype around AI, and we can see here now Nvidia flips Apple's as stock hits $3 trillion US dollar market cap. And this is really an AI boom, what we're having right now. And because the AI boom, this will have an impact on AI crypto tokens and projects probably in this bull market. We should be careful with this, definitely. But yeah, I think that's very important. Here you can see pretty well how we have Nvidia, 3 trillion. But when you're looking at it a bit more closely, here you can see the exact numbers. Not much, but it happened. And we could not see Nvidia just a couple of months before, that high. And Nvidia just getting higher and higher and higher. And, it's going to be pretty much the first sooner or later. But one thing I would like to highlight, look at this. The purple one is the internet bubble, and we have now the AI bubble. So at some point, we do know that things are going to crash again. So always be aware of it. Always take profits in the bull market when it goes up. Don't forget, do it step by step. You don't have to do it at once, but just make sure you finish in profit, because you never know when the bubble will burst. I just wanted to point out. I think that's very important. Guys, that's it for today. So don't forget, every single day you're getting the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. You're getting these longer videos between Monday and Thursday, and from Monday to Sunday you're having these short videos as well. Every single day you will have them. So tomorrow, after tomorrow, and after Monday I'm back with another longer video. This was a special week as I was away in Georgia, but I think these kind of things are very, very important. I will travel this year, going to the big crypto events to keep you up to date, because I can collect lots of information, talk to very many important people, and I think this is key. And if you subscribe, I keep you up to date. So don't forget, here we go, you go down there and hit the subscribe button, and then you will get the notifications every single time a new video comes out. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.